Welcome back to DMHN Trading for another week of chart analysis. Now, on these Monday morning videos, we're going to look at the daily, the 4-hour and the 1-hour charts. So this is our weekly analysis, also including the daily analysis, obviously. So stick around all for that. This is a longer video than usual because of those two things. So let's get straight into it. Now, Aussie Yen on the daily charts. As we start, so last week we predicted that it will go through an uptrend, and it did so like that. Our square was very strong as well because it hit the resistance line and it came back down. So very strong analysis last week for the daily charts. Now, obviously when we do these videos, we have to modify these for this current week. So where will the price go from here? Now we know that it's definitely in an uptrend, and it's hit the resistance already. So this is definitely the new bar from where the price is, and this is the new pullback zone. Now, do we pull this back up because of where we are? I say yes, we do, because we do have a new kind of a support line there. We also have this daily support line there, so we have to keep in mind with both. But for now, that is the weekly support line. Where would the resistance be? Now, I say it would, if it does break this line, which it probably will, we have to give it a bit more breathing room. So in that case, oh, wrong line. It needs to go up to about here, and that gives it an adequate amount of space for it to move during the week, while we analyze it when it crosses these lines, these trading zones, these resistance lines. They're very critical. Okay, so that's the daily for Aussie Yen. 4-hour will mimic kind of similar to that. So our prediction last week was also correct for that, obviously. And going into this zone. And pull back 4-hour accordingly there. Now for our 1-hour charts. Obviously there's no bias here. It is in a downtrend. We say that it's a pullback just because of our bias, but we have to do what the chart says. The chart says that it's in a downtrend, therefore it's in a downtrend. And the downtrend I predicted would be about here. Downtrend, and we switch this up. Now this is a 1-hour downtrend. Now the pullback zone will be about, yes, I would say this about there. And because the 1-hour chart does not agree confluence with the 4-hour and daily charts, I don't trade it unless there's a really strong indication on the 1-hour that it is going in a downtrend. Then I would, and I'll enter on my 30-minute. So that's how I do these ones. But generally, if they don't confluence with each other, I don't trade it, and I go for something that's more strong, where on the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily chart they all say the same thing. That's what I would trade. So yeah, that's why we analyze about 5 different trades pairs during the week, during these sessions. Okay, now moving on to the British Yen. We predicted that it was a downtrend, and it did just that. Yes, sir. Okay. So adjusting accordingly, I'll say it's continuing its direction of where it's headed. I'm not going to change support and resistance, as they are pretty solid where they are. These zones are pretty tight where they are. Okay, 4-hour, same shit. Just giving it a bit more room for playground. But yeah, pretty much on that blue line, that is our zones. Now on the 1-hour, it is saying that it is in a uptrend. No, it is heavy confluence here. Sorry, not confluence, this is consolidating. This is in a channel that's not going to really move. So yeah, not trading this pair today at all. Let's put a note here. Just put a note here saying that this is consolidating. No trades here. Okay. Now the Aussie dollar. Ooh. Let's see what happened. Oh, damn, it did drop a while ago. So on the daily, we said that it's on a downtrend. The price was here on the Monday that we did the analysis, and it did a pullback. It pulled back all the way on Thursday and on, no, sorry. Yes, it did. It pulled back all the way on Thursday, and then Friday, it went right way down. And that's a big engulfing candle. With that big engulfing candle, you should expect that the price will go down today, because that's a huge engulfing candle, right? If you compare it to other dates, yeah, see, we don't have anything like that. This is a huge move for the Australian dollar. So big downtrend from where we are, huge. If anything, the pullback, yeah, that's a big back. That's a pullback zone. That's pretty much. All right, so we're back to where we are for this week. No, don't want to move that one. I want to move this one. So we might be heading back down to the lowest point of the year. That's a big zone. That's a big zone. Didn't really do that. I want to do that. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour would say about the same thing. Just cause I'm only doing this because it's Monday, so we're going to just give it a bit more room to play, see where the direction goes, and then we adjust it according to each session. So on obviously during the New York session or the tomorrow's Tokyo session, we will adjust it accordingly again. But right now, this is where we're having a look at, and then the 1 hour. 1 hour is definitely in the downtrend. So let's go ahead and just move this box. Oops, what did I move just then? Move this box. But here, now we said the 4 hour will enter to the last line. For the 1 hour, I'm only giving it that much room to move. And I'm saying the pullback will be all of this. All of that. Definitely this is the pullback zone. Definitely this is the pullback zone. Now for the NAS100. NAS100. Okay, so as predicted on the daily, we have a downtrend. So for the NAS100, not a good prediction here. It definitely went into a pullback, and if anything, that's a downtrend now. Big engulfing candle. So we'll have to change this direction. This is now a downtrend completely. This is the pullback zone, and it is now in a downtrend on the daily. It was going very strong as we analyzed it here, but now we have a new support line, and a new support line indicates that it will enter probably about our lowest price of the year. So we change this. And now that becomes the new downtrend. Now, as we move on to the 4 hour, we'll do the same thing. Again, we're giving it a big price range just because it's a Monday, and a big pullback zone, and we'll adjust it accordingly. Now, moving on to the 1 hour, we don't have to do any confluencing there, but same goes pretty much. We're in a heavy downtrend, and we'll only do the downtrend line to the next major resistance point, which will be probably this point here. So not much room, but that's it there. And lastly, we have the gold USD. Gold USD, we predicted the move will be in a downtrend. It did so that. So on the price was here, went to a downtrend. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday went into a pullback, and then big engulfing candle. So everything went down again on a Friday with big engulfing candles. So if anything, we just continued the trend. Turned. Now, do we need to have that big? Yeah, we do, because the reason why this box is big is because once the price passes this point, then it becomes an uptrend again, because it will create a new higher high. So 4 hour, same thing. Oop. This is the new zone. We could leave the 4 hour like that. Daily. Yeah, we can definitely leave that. And now the 1 hour charts. Okay, so trades today, definitely the gold USD is a viable one, and Australian USD. Okay, that's it. That's the analysis for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, have any feedback, any contradicting, anything like that, just let us know in the comments down below. Thank you.